Oh, little bird, I've been watching you. Don't be frightened. I'm not here to harm. Don't let the voice fool you either. My heart is as black as obsidian, but every once in a while there is a crack that bleeds. I've heard your prayers. They've clipped your wings again, and you've stopped singing, my little songbird. I know that gravity is feeling oppressive right now when you're so used to soaring. I can't promise that it will get better, but I can promise it will get easier. You will endure, but you have to stop giving away little pieces of yourself. Is it all right if I sit with you? You don't have to talk, and I will not pry. I'm here to hold you aloft until you can take flight again. Until you find your voice. Sometimes it's just company and silence that resonates the loudest. No words needed. Just presence. It will be okay, little bird. You will sing again. You will fly again. And there will be a reckoning for those who have done this to you.